Welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to refill your AC in your vehicle. The first thing you'll need to do is purchase one of these little units. They typically go for $30 to $40. And second is your vehicle. Anyways, today what we'll need you to do is make sure you have your little product prepared. They usually come with a little separation unit in which you have to remove, because once you plug it in, they will make full contact and the air will be able to charge the vehicle. You'll have to locate in your vehicle a little tab with an L shape, just like this. That is the same section where you will plug in your little rechargeable refill can. Once you have your product ready, you will need to start up your vehicle. When your vehicle is on, you will go ahead and press the lever to commence charging your vehicle to start filling up with fresh AC. You will continue to check up on your dial as you keep on filling the gauge, making sure that you do not hit to the red. Since we are living in the Southland, our typical temperatures range about 80 to 85 degrees, so we make sure that we set the dial appropriately. With your AC fully charged, you go ahead and enjoy your fresh AC. Thank you for watching.